Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Dusty here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your PSN name or your PlayStation name. This is something that just a couple of days opened up to everyone. So what you're going to want to do is go over to settings where you see the little lunchbox icon there next to the power icon. Click on settings and then go down to where you see account management. Click on account management and then under that go to account information. Below in these settings, you're going to see a bunch of different things once it loads up here. The one you want to go to is the one that says profile. Go to profile and then the online ID, or your PSN name is what we all know it as. Click that one there. It's then going to show you basically some information regarding different games. Older games are not going to show your new ID. You must understand this. If you want, you can read through all of this. Basically, it's just saying older games may not display the new name correctly. If that's something you want, there also may be some hiccups with trophies and things like that. If that's okay with you, go to the I accept button. And then once you're ready, basically it's going to tell you there may be some saved progress for specific users related to your ID. Again, all of this is just the minutia. They're trying to let you know just in case something does go wrong. Click continue once you're done with that there, and then you're going to need to sign in to your PlayStation Network with your email and your password as you normally would. And then once you've signed in, you'll see something that says you've been playing as, and then your online ID since the specific date in which you created that ID. And then once you're ready here where it says enter new online ID, just basically select there in the box and then type your new PSN name that you want to change to. Now, I will give you this warning. The first change is free. After that, it will be a paid change. So it will be $9.99 each time after the first time that you change it. And then if you're a PlayStation Plus member, you get $5 off that price. Now, there is a way to change your name via the website, and I'll show you how to do that now. So basically, if you want to change your name on the website end of things, you just go to the SonyEntertainmentNetwork.com. I'll link that down below in the description of this video. And then once you are there, you're going to go down below where it says PlayStation Network. Select the one that says PSN Profile. And then the first one there that says Online ID, click Edit, just like that there. And basically, it's going to take you through the same things that it did on the console and then give you the option to change your name here and type in your new online ID. You can check the availability. And if it is available, change it here on the website as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you got any questions, put those down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one.